Hi, I'm Pat, product manager here at Warehouse Lighting, and I'm here to talk to you today about our new traditional full cutoff wall packs by WareLight. These fixtures boast a compact design with selectable wattage and integrated color temperature options. The 40-watt version can be adjusted to 20, 30, or 40 watts, while the 80-watt version offers settings of 40, 60, and 80 watts. And for your higher power needs, the 120-watt version is selectable between 80, 100, and 120 watts. These outdoor wall packs are designed for efficiency and energy savings. Operating on a voltage range of 120 to 277, they are equipped with smooth 0 to 10 volt dimming capabilities and feature an integrated photocell for dusk to dawn operation. The durable construction ensures reliable performance in temperatures ranging from -40 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various outdoor environments. With CCT selectability, you can choose between 3000K, 4000K, or 5000K to achieve the perfect color temperature for any application. Additionally, this fixture comes with optional accessories, including a PIR motion sensor and an emergency battery backup. This fixture is perfect for enhancing security and visibility around commercial buildings, schools, and residential areas. As always, with our 5-year warranty and a 50,000-hour lifespan, this UL-listed wall pack guarantees top-notch quality and safety for long-lasting, reliable performance. Contact us today to learn more. I'm Pat. Thanks for watching.